everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on iTonga. And guys, this week it's the finale week of iTonga. So iTonga guys, liyaphela and alizo renewer for season 2. I know what's in the guys, but again we don't have season 2 with Tonga, so liyaphela ke kuleli week. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on iTonga from the 23rd to the 27th of February 2026 on Monday. Sanele has to raise 5 million to save the woman she loves or he loves on Tuesday. The dances show everyone why they have been successful for so long, while Mandla and Sanele fight over the best way to solve their problems on Wednesday. Pinda's conscience finally catches up, but defying Pablo comes at a deadly cost. Sunday's failure breaks the family until an unexpected call reignites hope on this day. Zama faces the unbearable weight of death and Bali's escape spiral into a nightmare that pulls everyone in. Sanele races against time to find Bali, but every call, every lead only draws him closer to a deadly showdown on Friday. A final showdown ensues and a king falls as he finally accounts for his sins. As peace is restored, new life is breathed into the Dladla and Magwaza families, while two souls finally become one. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.